Can I ask you something?
Sure, go ahead.
I forgot my wallet today.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
Talk to yourself in English while you cook or clean or do your daily activities. Turn daily life into your classroom.
Can you lend me some money?
How much do you need?
Just enough for lunch.
That's fine.
I'll return it tomorrow.
Sure, no problem.
Thanks for helping me out.
Anytime.
Are you free right now?
Not really. I'm busy with some work.
Oh, what are you working on?
I have to finish a report.
Are you making the same mistakes again and again? That means you are learning. Slowly, those mistakes will go away. Don't worry about them now.
Is it urgent?
Yes, my boss needs it today.
I see. I won't disturb you then.
Thanks. I appreciate that.
Can we talk later?
Sure, after I finish this.
All right. Message me when you're free.
Sure, I will.
So, how's the work going?
It's almost done.
Any problems so far?
Only a few small ones.
Write down one phrase from this video. Try to use it at least 3 times before you go to sleep tonight.
So, nothing major?
Nope, I've already fixed most of the problems.
Can you finish it today?
Yes, hopefully.
Do you need help?
No, not right now.
Let me know if you do.
Thanks, I will.
Did you bring the documents?
Oh no, I forgot them.
Seriously?
Yeah, I was in a rush.
Do you really want to speak English well? Then you must practice speaking. Don't just listen. Come on, practice with us now.
What are you going to do now?
I'll go back and get them.
Won't that take time?
Yes, but I have no choice.
Should I wait for you?
No, you can go ahead.
Call me when you return.
Sure, I will.
You look exhausted today.
I barely slept last night.
What time did you sleep?
Around 2 in the morning.
Listen and repeat what you hear. Repeat many times. Repetition makes your English natural.
Why so late?
I was finishing my work.
That's not healthy.
I know, but I had no choice.
Try sleeping earlier tonight.
I will if I finish my work fast.
Your health matters more than your work.
Yeah, you're right.
Excuse me, how much is this jacket?
It's $30.
Is there any discount?
Yes, there is a 10% discount today.
Worried about your grammar? Just try expressing your thoughts. We can learn grammar later. Remember, babies don't learn their first language by learning the rules of grammar.
That's good to know.
Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please.
The fitting room is there.
It fits quite well.
Yes, and it looks good on you.
I'll take it then.
Great choice.
Why didn't you answer my call?
Sorry, I didn't hear it.
What were you doing?
I was in the shower.
Do you feel your mouth feels strange while speaking English? That means you are using new sounds. This is good. I tried calling twice.
Oh, my phone was silent.
I see.
Was it anything urgent?
No, I just wanted to talk.
Oh, I see.
So, can we talk now?
Sure, let's do a video call.